Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a vlog. In today's vlog, I want to show you guys how I upcycle two pieces that I have in my closets. We're gonna try, okay? We're gonna try. And then I also need to tackle my shoes and my handbags. I need to sort through them, see what I want, see what I don't want, see what needs to be fixed and all of that. So that's what we're doing in today's video. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I don't know why I eat right before I want to be productive. Like, I always get tired. I know I always get tired, and I always do it. Always. Yeah, so we're vlogging today. It's going to be kind of like a day in my life vlog, but I'm really going to be cleaning. So I need to clean sneakers. I need to organize my sneakers. I need to clean my bed off. And I also want to show you guys if I decide to do it today. If not, I'm definitely going to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do it today though. I want to show you guys. I feel dark. I want to show you guys how I upcycle pieces in my closet. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. Hopefully we can get everything done. As I mentioned, I ate, so I'm already feeling a little tired. But I'm going to push myself because things need to get done, okay? I feel like I look better here. Okay. I did record this makeup look, so that video will be coming out after this one. So yes, that's coming soon. But y'all, I have so much to do today. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put myself right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is place an order on Target's app. So in case you guys don't know, Target does same day delivery with Shipt, and it's $9.99 per order, or I think like $70 for a whole year. But I just do it by order. I should purchase the subscription, but you know how sometimes you like, I know it's cheaper, but I'd rather just pay it like some by some, and then you end up spending more money. I don't know, I'm just like, sometimes I'll be feeling like going to Target, and then other days I don't have time to go into Target. Like today, I have so much to do today. I still have to take pictures, and I have to bulk record because you guys will see why soon. But yes, so I'm placing my order now. I'm gonna order this Monday shampoo and conditioner. I'm sure you guys probably seen it in store, or like people speaking about it. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but it's like a light pink packaging, very minimalistic packaging. The shampoo and conditioner are $6.99 each, and I'm gonna get my favorite bread, my Dave Killers organic white bread done right like speak bread. So I'm gonna order that, and then they got an offer on my milks. So if I order, oh hold on, if I order and do delivery, I think it comes to $3.29. So I still need $2.16 to do my same day delivery. So let me see what else I find on Target's app. Shopping on the app is nothing like shopping in person. So I'm kind of upset about that. But I literally have no time to go to Target. Like, it would throw my whole day off. So I'm gonna see what I can get on this app. I don't need anything from the lip balm. I don't need any hair products. And if I don't like that Monday hair care stuff, guess what? It's going right back to the store, baby. Okay, so it was something that I said I needed, not needed, but wanted. I do not remember. A pack of lettuce, maybe that'll bring me. That's $2.19. That's what I'm talking. Oh, delivery not available. Do they not deliver produce? Like, what's tea? Oh, they do. Oh, is it out of stock? Yeah, it's out of stock. So let me see if they got another one. What's $2.16 on here? That's what I need to know. Add to cart. as soon as 4 p.m. today. It's currently 1:54. Order 35 or more. After the trial, your car will be charged $99. Okay. Pay $99. Pay $9.99. Okay, 4 to 5 time slot. If my order is ready early, drop it off today anytime before 5. That's fine. Okay, so Target order is placed. Now it's time to get up and do shit and get shit done. So also my hair, I've recorded some content for a sponsored post, so you guys will see the tutorial for this here soon. But I'm in love. It's like a nice fluffy twist out situation. Stiff wear because it ain't here. But yes, so let me show y'all what I need to tackle. Okay, so I still have my makeup on my bed from when I recorded my makeup video today. And then these socks I need to put away. These clothes, I don't think I'm gonna put these clothes away because these are majority clothes for try on hauls that I'm gonna do. And then this is the stuff from my Zara haul, which you guys will see tomorrow. And I need to clean this shoe situation and bags. So let's go ahead and get started.
If you want to, what you gon' do? What you gon' do? Ready? Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. Or we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, go long bad, speed it up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No say you're not my girl, but you run down. Remember how you say you want me. Send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody. No say you got that body, eh. Baby, I don't really know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. And we can turn up if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you undo. Girl, you change the way for me. Make me feel away, lonely. Ain't no complaints on me, but I feel away, mommy. You playing games, honey. I make it rain, oh. You feel away, oh. But what make you stay so? Baby, I already know what you want to. Maybe you can show me what you gon' do. Make it all night if you want to. Dance all night if you want to. Drinks all night if you want to. Change your whole life, what me gon' do? Make you feel nice, what me gon' do? Girl, you don't know what you done do. Girl, go long bad, speed up. Say you're not treat man bad, true enough. But you too goddamn bad, beat it up. No say you're that my girl, but you run down. Remember how you say you want me. Send girl on my yard, come call me. Tell somebody.
Okay. That was maybe I need to record every time I clean because that was fast. So I kind of like made my bed a little, don't mind it. I still have to like set my bed. I need to find a comforter still. So yeah, I just folded my throw and put it here. And then this stuff is here for a reason. This stuff is all the stuff I'm about to include in my collective haul. And this stuff, I gotta find somewhere to put it. But now we're about to move over here, and this is about to be a lot. So yeah, I want to select the sneakers that I need to clean. I have all of these boxes in the middle, which are like new sneakers that I got. So I'm gonna get rid of like any boxes I don't need. But like my Jordan ones, I always keep the boxes, and my designer shoes, I always keep the boxes. So we're about to tackle this because I've been meaning to do this for a while, and we finally gonna get it in. Okay, I know that you said you
original. That's a bad man, but drop the plate. Then a bad man, but drop the plate. Original. That's a bad man, but drop the plate. Then a bad man, but drop the plate. Just say no, 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 no. She say, yeah, original Batman. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now.
Got a few questions about these sandals. These are my Chanel sandals. The espadrille.
Whose side do you on? She said she on south side. Who's back? But you know I don't really go outside. When the blessing come, it don't give thanks, cause it's about time. Yeah, spend all my time in the woods and the hills and the alpines. Cause I ain't trust what you doing is real. In time, you will show me things for now. Starting to question what all this really about. We used to bunk it, now I hardly see you around. I don't got time for nobody who's bringing me down. Count up 100 bands for the click. Now I got rocket road on my wrist. Now I can lock a load on the shit. Shorty gon' drop a roll.
Okay, so probably looks like I didn't do much, but on the inside I did a little bit of work. Okay, so yeah, most of my shoes have to stay in boxes. Like they're either exclusive releases, designer shoes, or Jordan 1s. So all of these boxes are good. And then bags, I still have to go through these bags. I'm keeping all of these. These are like the main bags that I wear, and I need to go through these to see. But yeah, I'm about to record my collective haul now. I have everything here that I'm going to include in it, so I'm going to go ahead and record that, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just came back in. I went to the store to grab something for my mom, and let me tell y'all something. I'm about to lace my core purple ones real quick with the lavender laces, because that's what I'm feeling like wearing today for my pictures. But y'all, I was in Fine Fair, the local Caribbean supermarket by my house, and first of all, they had a whole car wash on the sidewalk, like operating a whole car wash on the sidewalk. On the block real quick to get something for my mom, and they operated a whole freaking car wash on the sidewalk with a table, with the equipment. I don't even know where the water was coming from, come to think of it, but they get in their coin, so I can't even be mad at them, right? So I go in the store. I had to get one item for my mom, got it, ran to the express checkout, and the previous cashier was like clocking out, so the new one was coming. It was this black guy. So I'm standing there and I'm waiting for him to bring me out, him to put his drawer in so he could bring me out. And he's like, what's your name? And in my head I'm bugging, because I'm like, huh? So he's like, what's your name? So I'm sitting here and I legit looked at him like this. Like, if you know me, you know I speak with my face. Like, when I feel away, you'll be able to tell on my face. So I'm like, mind you, I have my mask on, so I feel like my eyes did enough, and my lashes lifted. So what you want to know my name for? So I didn't answer. I just looked at him. So he's like, this is it? I'm like, yeah. So I had on a tear crew neck and a tear sweatpants and a jean jacket. So I'm sweating, first of all, because it's already hot outside. So he's like, oh, what's that? That's top tier. First of all, it's tier NYC, sir. Second of all, I said this on my stories and so many people was laughing. I'm like, people want to talk to people with this whole mask era, and my thing is, we have on our masks, so you really don't know how anyone looks. Like, you really don't know. So if I pull down my mask and I have 4 teeth, then what, sir? What do you want to know my name for? What do you want to know me and my 4 teeth name for? So I'm just like, yo, I could never leave the house and it be a peaceful day. Like, it's just always something going on. It's always something going on. Even when I get off the train, the cabbies, Wagwan baby girl. First of all, half of the time I look like a boy. So baby girl where? Like, where's the baby girl? Because the baby girl isn't here. So I'm just always confused. I'm always confusion. So yeah, I'm about to go out real quick, take these pictures. I already know what outfit I'm going to put on. I wanted to do something with my top, but I didn't have time to, so that's gonna be a task for another day. But I think that these sneakers look so cute with the lavender laces. I also need to get white laces, because I really would have liked them with white laces today, but I don't have white laces, and I'm not taking my laces out any of my other sneakers because they all chopped and screwed. So oh, excuse me. Yeah, But let's go take these pictures real quick. I don't think I'm gonna record when I go because literally going up the block from my house and people be creepy, so I don't really like to record too much in my neighborhood. But yeah, I recorded my collective haul video. That's coming this week. It came out really good. I love how I decided to do it, so you guys will see that on Wednesday, I believe. And I also need to record my let me put my phone to charge. I need to record another unboxing. Oh shit, did my charger break? I need to record another luxury unboxing. I need to record, I have a couple things I need to record. I'm still waiting for my Target order. Oh, it's not 5 o'clock yet. But the girl texted me, so I told you guys I wanted to try the Monday hair care, like the shampoo and conditioner, but it was sold out. Like, it said in stock on the app when I ordered it, but the shopper texted me and she was like, oh, they don't have it. So I'm like, oh, do they at least have a set, like a smoothing shampoo and conditioner or another one of the sets? Because I think they have moisture, smooth, and another one. But she was like, all of them only have one, like either the shampoo or the conditioner. So that's why I said, girl, leave that in the store. I'm not doing it. I really wanted it so that I could have recorded the video either tomorrow or Monday, but I really love how my hair came out, so it's looking like I'm not gonna wash my hair till like Tuesday. So yes, but let me go ahead and finish this and I'll check in with you guys later. I need to record the outfit segment of my get ready with me. I need to figure out what bag I'm gonna wear. Am I wearing a bag? Am I the bag? Like, what's tea? What's tea, girl? What is tea? Okay, so I look crazy. I actually look kind of cute. I look like a little girl, but I'll just finish checking my pictures, which you guys will see. I'll put some here, but I'm about to head to Tabby's house because she has a hosting today, so I'm gonna go. So I'm about to figure out what I'm gonna put on and leave because allegedly we're leaving in an hour. So I'll see y'all once I get there.
We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, you're your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, you're the best thing. We can be the best thing, you're the best thing. Can I be your bestie, you're your best friend? I'ma be the bestie, you're the best thing.